Welcome to Day Trade Like a Pro. This is the review for the S&P 500 for the live trade signals for August 27th. And we'll jump right in here. Now, if you're not familiar with what you're looking at on my screen, what we have are these blue lines are our, and the white lines, these are our proprietary prediction points. You can learn more about those at daytradelikeapro.com. And then this really, we're not going to talk much about this. This is what we call one price. And then these, the green line and the red line, the blue line and the yellow line, these are what we call key turns. You can see key turns actually worked out really nicely today, right up here to, this was an all-time high at 98.25. We had our prediction point here at 97.50, and then 99 and 99.25 are the key turns. So the way key turns work is basically above here, we're looking for a move up to here. And if we can hold below here, we're looking for price to fall. But if price moves up above here, it gets stronger again for buying. And that's really about as simple as key turns gets. It's probably one of the most liked indicators among traders because it's really simple. I mean, by an indicator, it's really just these lines, and then we will actually have, sometimes there's a third set of lines, like there might be a third set down here, and that would just show sort of the extension of where these prices are. So basically below here you could look for shorts, above here you can look for longs, above here you're looking for longs up to here, below here you're looking for shorts down to there. Anyway, that's more than I was going to say about key turns. You can go check that out on the website, www.daytradelikeapro.com, tools for traders, and under that tab you can check out key turns. Okay, so let's get to the magic. So live trade signals, what is that all about? The live trade signals is where we post through our private Discord server that can come right to your desktop or laptop or tablet or phone. You can get alerted in real time. Most of the time we give you plenty of time to put the trades on, sometimes hours and hours in advance. And we're posting exact entries, exact targets, and exact stop losses. There's zero ambiguity, zero guessing, zero trying to interpret what we're saying or what's going on. It's just buy and sell signals. I think we're up in the last 14 trading days. I think we're up over 100 S&P points. And I think for this week, we're up over 40 points or something like that just for this week alone. And yeah, 42.25 points for this week. So today we finished up 11 points if we're just counting the regular trading hours. And I want to jump back here real quick because yesterday we had a short in the evening actually. This is just a simple 5-minute chart. This is what I trade with. And right here you can see this is the current, we've never been this high. The market had never ever traded this high. We posted this prediction point price sometime the night before this trading day. This day happened on Wednesday. And we posted this price sometime probably Tuesday evening at the latest. We've already posted, before the market had even opened for Globex tonight, we'd already posted all of the prices for tomorrow. So this was posted hours and hours in advance, maybe 20 plus hours in advance before the market ever hit here. Why it's blue, that's part of the prediction point methodology. That's what we call a critical price. These are what we call key prices. They're important, but we expect the market to trade from blue line to blue line. That's the prediction point methodology. Anyway, we ended up going short here. We went short at 82.50 going into the close. The high, or maybe it was 82.75, I can't remember now. Anyway, it was one of those two ticks, and then the high was 83.50. I think it was 82.75 actually. Anyway, the high was 83.50. Just 2 ticks above our prediction point that we gave 20 hours earlier as a critical price. The market dropped, and we actually ended up covering around 77. So this initial drop, we covered at 77. And then we resold over here. You can see this swing high right here at 80.5. We actually resold at 80, and we covered it at 73. So nice little 7-point trade here in about 30 or 40 minutes. So that was last night. So those two were nice for last night. And then coming into today, what we actually did here this morning, right here, we initially had a short here at 92.25. And what happened, I took this trade. I went short at 92. This was, again, an all-time high right here. They had come up in the morning, right over here. Anyway, they came up to 92.25. I was short at 92. It came down away. This probed up here a little bit like that. So 93.25. Not a ton of heat on that. About 5 ticks or so. And then that dropped, and it came down, I don't know. I was at least up a couple of points in this trade. And at that point, I didn't want to take any more risks, so I went ahead and I covered this trade at break even. That's what we posted in the live trade signals. We covered it at break even. And we tried a long here. We ended up losing, I think, a point or something on that trade, a couple points on it, seeing if we could get a move up to here. But there were a couple of trades that we did get. You can see if you were trading prediction points on your own, there's plenty to do. We're looking for the really high probability trades that have a very good chance of going to the target. We don't want to take a lot of heat. We posted a buy down here. The buy price was 65.50. It went 3 ticks below that. That's good. We want to make sure we get filled. So it went 3 ticks below that 65.50. And we ended up covering that trade in front of here and in front of here. And so that was a nice trade, all in all today. And then we didn't do anything else officially today, although you can see there was plenty to do. Some of our members were messaging me, and we were talking about either buying this 83 or buying 80, and that swing low was at 80, and they have moved up a bit beyond that. And so today we ended up 11 points on the day. We're up 42.25 points on the week. We're up over 100 points in the last 14 trading days. Our average risk this week is 1.68 points. So less than 1 3/4 points, and we're up 42.25 points. Okay, that's our average risk. Couple things I just want to point out real quick. Don't want to make this long. This is an all-time high right here at 98.25, at 98 right here, coming back up here again. Look at this prediction point right here. It's at 97.50. We go 3 ticks through it and then sold off from there all the way down here, about 30 points, a little more than 30 points. Look at over here last night. I think this was actually, that's what happened. This was a little bit lower yesterday. I think this price was 82.50. Yeah, I can't remember exactly. Anyway, I think this might have been 80. Oh, maybe it was 82.75. That's what it was. We sold 82.50. That's what it was. This price was 82.75 yesterday. This moved up a little bit. 82.75 yesterday. We sold 82.50. All-time high 83.50. Just 2 ticks above our prediction point right there. And then from there, it sold off quite a ways. You can see nicely caught the move back up over here, coming into the open. This was Powell was speaking, so got a little crazy over here towards the open. And then all-time high, never ever been this high. We gave this price. We had this prediction point last night, 97.50, all-time high, 98.25, 3 ticks off our prediction point. Now, that isn't because we're just giving you tons and tons and tons of prediction points. If you look here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 prediction points that came into play today inside of a 30-something point range. So this one is 97.50. That one's 92.25. Those are 5 points apart. So it's not like we just have prices stacked on top of each other and we're getting lucky here with this. This one, 92.25, this is 10 points below that. Look how that gets used right there. Look at that test. Okay, and then right here, 1 tick through the prediction point. We wanted to make sure we bought a little in front of it. 1 tick through the prediction point. Comes back over here. This holds. Notice they don't close below here. We get this big push up right there. They come down. They basically, this is a little Jedi trick I'll show you. And this is supposed to be reserved, but I'll show you a little trick here. Notice where that is. I just drew a fib retracement in between here. That's 50% in between these. So they came down here, retraced 50% of these right back to there at 80. And you can see they were trading over in this area before. So there you go. And then they had to move up from there. But in the live trade signals, 11 points officially, and you can check all that out. If you want to subscribe to the live trade signals, you can actually get a 7-day trial. You don't have to take our word for it. You can try prediction points for free for a week. And on that page, we will give you the option to try the live trade signals, and that's $47 for a week. I think it's the best money that you can spend on the internet. And if somebody else finds something better, please send it over to me. I'm extremely interested. So nothing else out there like what we're doing in live trade signals. I've never seen anything like prediction points. I've been using these since 2007, and I've just never seen anything like it. So this is just another typical day, and we could show literally thousands of days where prediction points do this. So come check out what we're doing with the live trade signals. $47 for the week. And also you can get prediction points and try them out for free. They're available for the ES, NQ, RTY, CL, and more markets are coming. So good luck in your trading. Be on the right side of the market. Keep your risk small. Trade with the big institutional traders and let those winners work for you. And then trade your edge. And if you do that, and you actually really have an edge and you stick to it and you're disciplined, do that. That's the way the big institutional traders are trading. Follow what the big institutional traders are doing. And we will see you in the live trade signals in the morning.